be polite. You're gonna make me sore if you don't greet me right. Don't you ever kiss me once or kiss me twice. Treat me nice. You know that you've been told it's not fair to tease. So if you come on cold, I'm really gonna freeze. If you don't want me to be cold as ice, treat me nice. Make me feel at home if you really care. Scratch my back and run your pretty fingers through my hair. You know that I'll be a slave if you ask me to. And if you don't behave, I'll walk right out on you. If you want my love, then take my advice. Treat me nice. Treat me nice. Treat me nice.